Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix lag in Roblox mobile. So I will be just move in the iOS settings simply. So we will move in the journal settings and now we will move in iPhone storage. So when it's load iPhone storage, so you will be just scroll down to find a Roblox application on this device. So I will just tap on it when you just finding, and here you will see the offload app. So this will free up a storage used by the app but keep its document and data. You will be just reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. So I will just tap on it, and from here you will just confirm it for the offload app of Roblox. Simply just tap on it, and after tap on it you will be just reinstall this application, and you will be just download it again from the app store, and you will be fixed lag in Roblox mobile. So that's it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, then get notified for more videos.